Today, I'll tell you about a single food, a little crunchy snack, that has been shown in studies to increase insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar, and minimize the risk of complications from diabetes. I'll keep the finest one for last, because by the end of this video, you will understand which nut is the best nut for diabetics, supported by actual clinical data, and why it functions in your body the way it does. Number 1 may truly surprise you, so stay with me. One of the most frequent statements I hear is, "I don't know what I can even snack on anymore," and I understand. It seems like everything is off the table, but I'm going to show you that's not the case today. We are discussing nuts, precisely which nuts are superior to all others, and which are truly worth consuming if you have diabetes or prediabetes. Alright, let's begin. Let's start by discussing why nuts are important for blood sugar in the first place. Because different snacks have different effects on your body. Your blood sugar rises quickly when you consume foods heavy in refined carbohydrates, such as granola bars, pretzels, or crackers. To handle with it, your pancreas must produce a lot of insulin. Your cells will eventually begin to ignore that insulin signal if this continues. This is where nuts differ. Nuts have few carbs. They are rich in fiber, protein, and good fats. That combo has a very potent effect. It reduces the rate at which glucose enters your bloodstream. There isn't a significant insulin surge or spike, but it goes far deeper than that. According to research, consuming nuts on a regular basis can eventually increase insulin sensitivity. This indicates that your cells begin to react to insulin more effectively. They become more open. Your blood sugar remains more steady because they allow glucose to enter. Not only after meals, but all day long. Therefore, if you have diabetes or prediabetes, nuts are generally among the greatest foods to eat. It's crucial to remember that not all nuts are made equal. We're breaking it down today since some are noticeably superior to others. I'll take you through the best nuts for diabetes, starting with the best and working my way up to the best. And number 1 is worth the wait, I assure you. Alright, let's start with peanuts and peanut butter. Therefore, in a technical sense, peanuts are a legume rather than a tree nut. However, the majority of people consider them to be nuts, and the study on them is quite strong, so we're counting them. The glycemic index of peanuts is extremely low. The index for peanuts and peanut butter. In other words, they hardly affect your blood sugar levels. According to studies, in individuals with type 2 diabetes, peanuts and peanut butter have blood sugar lowering effects comparable to those of almonds. Additionally, cohort data, large population studies, indicates that those who consistently consume peanut butter are less likely to develop type 2 diabetes in the first place. What's the catch? Many peanut butters on the market are heavily loaded with hydrogenated oils and added sugar. Therefore, the natural variety is what you want if you're aiming for peanut butter. Just a little salt and peanuts. That's all. Excellent choice, strong proof, but not the best. Almonds are the next item on the list. For good reason, almonds are arguably the most popular nutritious nut. Almonds improve blood sugar after meals, according to numerous research and meta-analyses. This means that there is a much less blood sugar surge after eating almonds as a snack or during a meal. Additionally, they aid in lowering LDL cholesterol. Almonds and blood sugar regulate cholesterol, which is crucial for diabetics because their risk of heart disease is already increased. According to one meta-analysis, almonds decreased blood sugar, cholesterol, inflammation, and cardiometabolic indicators in persons with type 2 diabetes. They're also really satisfying. Almonds' protein, fiber, and healthy fat content keeps you full for hours, so you're less likely to grab for something that may cause your blood sugar to jump. Although they are generally among the finest snacks for diabetes, almonds are still not the greatest. Cashews come next. It's interesting to note that many people with diabetes avoid cashews since they contain somewhat more carbs than other nuts. However, this is what the research actually reveals. People with type 2 diabetes who consumed cashews on a daily basis really had higher HDL cholesterol, according to a very well-designed 12-week randomized controlled trial. That's the great thing about cashews, risky or underappreciated. Cholesterol. Additionally, they reduced their systolic blood pressure, which is the highest reading. Here's the important bit. Their blood sugar levels did not worsen. Despite the slightly higher carb content, cashews did not negatively impact glycemic control. As long as you're not overindulging, Cashews are actually safer than most people believe. The sweet spot is a tiny handful. It's not the best nut, but it's good and underappreciated for diabetics. All right, pistachios come next. We are now reaching the highest level. Join our diabetes health community and take control of your health with confidence. By hitting subscribe and like, you'll receive daily, easy-to-follow health solutions focused on blood sugar control, healthy habits, and long-term wellness. Stay informed, stay empowered, and move toward a healthier, more balanced life. One smart step at a time. When it comes to controlling blood sugar, pistachios are truly remarkable. They have very positive post-meal glycemic and lipid effects, according to studies. In other words, your cholesterol and blood sugar both react favorably after eating them. This is my favorite thing about pistachios in particular, because most people are unaware of the connection between portion management and pistachios. A built-in portion control mechanism is a feature of pistachios. They must be shelled, and studies reveal that eating in-shell pistachios reduces calorie intake and increases satisfaction compared to consuming pre-shelled pistachios, because you can see how much you've eaten thanks to the shells. And that's important for someone with diabetes since eating too much, even nutritious foods, can still have an impact on blood sugar levels. Additionally, pistachios are high in vitamin E, lutein, and antioxidants that help prevent oxidative stress, which damages blood vessels in diabetics. Pistachios are excellent. They are almost at the top of the list for managing diabetes. However, there is one nut that outweighs all, and the supporting data is astounding. Okay, so here it is. Walnuts are the best nut for diabetes, supported by the most substantial body of research. Before you ask, really walnuts? Allow me to explain why. The research around walnuts is truly unmatched, and this isn't just my view. The fat profile comes first. The only nut with a noticeably high ALA content is walnuts. The top nut for people with diabetes, that is alpha-linoleic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid derived from plants. Why is that important when it comes to diabetes? Indeed, omega-3 fatty acids have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, one of the main causes of insulin resistance is inflammation. Your cells cease reacting appropriately to insulin when they are inflamed. Because omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, your insulin begins to function more effectively. When it comes to omega-3 content, walnuts are superior to all other nuts. Not cashews, not pistachios, not almonds. Here, walnuts fall into a whole separate group. Insulin sensitivity comes in second. Walnuts directly improve insulin sensitivity, according to several studies. According to one study, without making any other dietary adjustments, those who included walnuts in their diet had quantifiable improvements in how efficiently their cells responded to insulin. Consider the implications of that. Simply include walnuts. That's all. Additionally, insulin sensitivity increased. Improving insulin sensitivity is crucial for those with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Walnuts directly target the underlying cause of the issue. Cardiovascular protection comes in third. The risk of heart disease is 2 to 4 times higher in those with type 2 diabetes than in those without the condition. That is a substantial amount. Walnuts offer some of the best evidence of any food for cardiovascular protection, and that is a huge concern. They raise good cholesterol and decrease bad cholesterol, improving lipid profiles. They lessen artery inflammation. They enhance the function of blood vessels. According to one study, eating walnuts was linked to a decreased all-cause death rate, particularly in individuals with type 2 diabetes. In other words, regular walnut eaters had a lower risk of dying from all causes, including heart disease. That has a lot of power. Brain health comes in fourth. There is not enough discussion regarding this one. Diabetes dramatically raises the risk of dementia and cognitive decline. Because insulin resistance and brain degradation are so closely related, some experts now refer to Alzheimer's disease as type 3 diabetes. One of the most researched nutrients for brain health is walnuts. Together, the polyphenols, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids protect your neurons, lower inflammation in the brain, and enhance cognitive performance. Thus, eating walnuts protects your brain in addition to your blood sugar. The mortality statistics come in fifth. Although I've already touched on this in passing, I want to revisit it since it's crucial. A study that examined nut consumption in individuals with type 2 diabetes and monitored all-cause mortality was published in the Journal of Nutrition. Regular eaters of nuts, especially walnuts, were much less likely to die from any cause than non-eaters. The bottom line is that not only do walnuts improve blood sugar levels, but they also extend life. Alright, so you're probably wondering how many and how to consume them. As a healthcare dietitian, this is my advice. Try to consume 1 ounce of walnuts or any of the other nuts listed above each day. That is about a quarter cup, or around 14 walnut halves. You don't have to consume a lot of food. In actuality, the study demonstrates advantages at this low level. Because nuts are high in calories, we should be aware that more isn't always better. The best method to consume them is as an independent snack in between meals. Since it helps balance blood sugar in between meals, this is actually one of the greatest periods. They can be diced and added to Greek yogurt or porridge in the morning, or they can be added to a salad for healthy fat and crunch. To lessen the blood sugar surge, you might have them with a meal that contains more carbohydrates. Here's a crucial piece of advice. Instead of just adding walnuts, look for ways to replace them. The largest study demonstrates even greater advantages when walnuts are substituted for less healthful foods like chips, crackers, or processed snacks. For the full metabolic advantage, replace those with a healthier snack that contains walnuts. The move is that. So let's quickly review. One of the greatest things to eat if you have prediabetes or type 2 diabetes is nuts. They protect your heart, reduce blood sugar spikes, enhance insulin sensitivity, and, in the case of walnuts, are even associated with a longer lifespan. Peanuts, almonds, cashews, and pistachios are the best nuts for diabetics. However, walnuts rank first due to their special omega-3 content, direct effect on insulin resistance, cardiovascular protection, and advantages for brain health. It only takes a few amount each day to begin to notice a change. Please give this video a like if it was helpful to you. In general, it makes this information more accessible to diabetics. If you're new, please subscribe since I publish evidence-based nutrition information every day with a focus on blood sugar management. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. I'll see you. Take care.